One of you. So today this is the setup of
Microwave horn
microwave
experiment.
experiment. We have to set the 10 volt from this knob.
So this is gun power supply.
So this is 10 volt approximately we have to set. So I'm going to set it 10 volt. Okay. It's 10 volt approximately. Okay, so don't mind it. It's that much
That's
fine.
perfect. So this is
999 is a
going
good number.
to this input.
So from this you can observe here. From this we have to adjust
भाई एक
adjust
प्रमोशन करा रहा था यूट्यूब पे
बोलो बोलो.
adjust
यूट्यूब के लिए हरित ने कॉस्मेटिक का चैनल बोला
Okay, so don't set it to exact 50. It should be 1 or 2 microamperes less than 50. Either set it to 48 microampere or 49 microamperes.
as you can see I am setting it
So we have to set it using this knob.
this knob anti-clockwise. It will go anti-clockwise, clockwise it will sorry anti-clockwise it will go clockwise, and clockwise it will go anti-clockwise, just opposite. So you have to set it 470. You can set anywhere. Then after setting that we have to set it 15 or 10, starting with 10. You have to set it 10 by using the scale 10 centimeter. As you can see it's approximately, wait, it's not 10. Yes, now it's approximately 10 centimeter. Okay, so after that mm, move one side.
This is 5 degree.
This is the proper
It decreases. Okay. So as we change the angle, see it's decreasing. Now it's decreasing. So around 20 or 25 degrees, it will reduce to almost zero.
yes, and similarly it will reduce here also.
So make sure we have to note the reading from this center line. We have to match this.
Yes, that's enough.
Hmm. It is reduced to almost zero.
So it will be symmetric decreasing to all readings. That's all. Thank you so much.
Wait. And we have to this receiver is adjustable, so we have to adjust its distance 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter. I think just two, 10 and 15
10,
centimeter.
15, and 20.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you so much.